Why we don't fly like birds on this earth? Why we don't fly in the sky? What is something that we are able to walk on this earth? Now just imagine, maybe you have studied in your 12th class in your high school. Why we don't fly like birds in the sky? And why we are able to walk on this earth? Now let's talk about we are able to walk on this earth due to gravitational force. Earth has the power to attract anything. Earth has the power to attract us. We are able to walk from one place to another due to gravitational force. Due to gravitational power, we are able to walk from one place to another. We are able to live our life, we spend our life on this earth due to gravitational force and gravitational force.